Hello and welcome children to your new class grade 2. I will be teaching you computers. Most of you must have not got your textbook, but we will study in a manner that you can very well understand the concepts at your home. So what I want from you is that you just read the lesson which will be shown in the video along with the parents, and I request the parents that they help the children in understanding the concept, as it is a very basic introductory lessons on computers. So children, lesson number 1 is computer, a useful machine. So computer is a machine, and I think most of you must have seen the computer. This is how it looks, like it is shown in the picture on the first page. Like this man, he is sitting on the computer and doing some work. So this is how a computer looks like. So as I said, computer is a machine. So machines are generally made to make our work easy. Like in first standard you have learnt about other machines such as a fan. A fan is also a machine which gives us cool air. Similarly, a mixer is a machine. So machines are generally used so that they make our work easier. So similarly, computer is also designed, or computer is made so that it makes our work easy. So we will read the lesson. So we see more and more people using computers today. People find that using a computer makes work easier for them. In earlier time, only very few people they had computers, but now more and more people have started to use computers because computer makes their work easy. And in this lesson we will see how computer is used in different places. We find such users in different places. Here are some of them. So following are examples of places where different people are using computers for different work, so that it makes their whole work easy. So first is in a shop. So computer is used in a shop. So there is a lady, her name is Alicia. Alicia has purchased some things. The shopkeeper uses a computer to make a bill for her. So first use of a computer that we are seeing is in a shop, that computers are used in a shop. So Alicia has purchased something. Alicia has gone to a shop and she has purchased some things such as milk, or for example other dairy products or other household items she has purchased from that shop. The shopkeeper uses a computer to make a bill for her. So what the shopkeeper is doing, he is using the computer to make a bill for all the items that she had purchased. I think many of you must have gone with your parents to a mall such as DMart or any other mall. So when we have finished our shopping, we go to the billing counter, and there we can see that there is a man or a lady, she is making a bill for us. So what she is doing, if you have seen properly, she is making use of a computer, or that man is making use of a computer so that he prints a bill for us on which all the details are written. The thing we have purchased, for example, you had bought one chocolate, so that chocolate name is written, the price of that chocolate, and other details are mentioned on the bill. So the first use of a computer is in a shop. So what the shopkeeper does, the shopkeeper uses a computer to keep an account of goods in his shop. So shopkeeper, the first use he takes from the computer is that he keeps an account of goods in his shop. He can stock more of an item that gets finished. So what the shopkeeper is doing, he is first of all making a list of items that is in his shop, to keep an account of goods in his shop. For example, how many biscuits are there in his shop, how many chocolates are there, how many other things are present in his shop, so that he can easily get to know when which thing has got over. For example, in the computer he can see he had only 5 chocolates. So he can come to know that chocolates are getting over, so that he can bring more chocolates in his shop so that he can sell to other people. So what we have seen over here is that the shopkeeper uses a computer to keep an account of goods in his shop. He can stock more of an item that gets finished. So computer helps him in maintaining the stock, like which item is getting over or which item he has a lot, so that when he goes to a bigger shop to purchase items for his shop, he will only buy that item which has finished in his shop. So what are the keywords in this lesson? We have seen computer is used to make a bill. When a customer purchases something, so the shopkeeper uses the computer to make a bill. And secondly, to keep an account of the goods. The shopkeeper uses the computer to maintain an inventory, like how much items are available in the shop and which items have got over or they are getting over. Similarly, like in our house, our mother, she keeps a track of which item is getting over. So for example, if the oil is getting over, your mother will tell to your father that तेल ख़त्म हो चुका है, अभी हमें तेल लाना है. या इसी तरह your mother will tell that rice it has finished, we have to bring more rice. चावल ख़त्म हो गए, हमें अभी जाकर चावल लाने हैं. या इसी तरह आटा ख़त्म हो चुका है, हमें जाकर आटा लाना है. So earlierly people used to maintain stock in their mind or on a piece of paper, but by using computer it has made our work easy. We can do this all on a computer without having the headache or without needing to take care of that piece of paper. If we had written everything on a piece of paper and then that piece of paper just got lost from us, or similarly we had kept in our mind but we forgot 2-3 things. For example, when your mother tells you, Ahmed, go to the shop and you have to buy eggs, milk, butter, bread, jam. So what happens if you have not written down the things? It may happen that you went to the shop and then there you were thinking, और मम्मी ने क्या बोला था? अंडे, butter, bread, milk. But you cannot remember fifth thing, or you may bring another thing which your mother had not asked from you. So in today's short lesson we had learned that computer is used in a shop to make our work easy. So it is used for 2 things. Firstly, to make a bill, and secondly, to keep an account of the goods. In the next video, we will learn about the other use of a computer, that is, it is used in an office. Thank you.